Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I painted this beautiful Swan Lake. I use this 8x10 canvas panel and I use acrylic colors. First step is to do the sketch. I did my sketch by dividing my canvas panel into 4 equal rectangles. I used the mixture of ultramarine blue and aqua green to use for the first layer of my lake. This is unbleached titanium. Now I'm building the basic shape of the water ripples and the swan's reflections. Some color to the other part of the swans. I mixed some light blue and light green color to refine the ripples of the lake. Darker lake blue color to enforce the shadow of the ripples. Now I'm continuing to refine my lake. I used the pure titanium white to indicate the highlights of my swans and the mixture of titanium white with aqua green or titanium white with ultramarine blue to indicate the shadows of my swans. Now in your mind, you can picture how this painting will look like in the end. It's a beautiful swan lake. Now let's give the foot of the swan some color by using a purplish gray color. I used the mixture of a touch of Mars black with titanium white to paint the shadows of the feathers and use the pure titanium white to paint the highlights of the feathers. Give the feathers some details and make the whole painting dynamic. Let's put the foot of the swan underneath the water by painting some ripples. After my signature, this painting is done. I'm so glad to see how it looks at the end. This painting is on sale on my Etsy and eBay shops. For more information, please check out the description below. You're welcome to follow me with my Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you next time.